Mr. Smithson, curriculum leader for mathematics at Landau Forte Academy sixth form. Just going to take you through the courses that we offer at the sixth form that are related to maths. As you can see on the left hand side, there are three that we offer at AS or A level, and they are mathematics, further mathematics, and a level 3 core maths course as well. So why study mathematics? Firstly, there are a few reasons there. So in terms of preparation for university courses, increasing knowledge and understanding, versatile qualifications. So mathematics A level on your CV does make you stand out in comparison to others. Stimulating, challenging courses, supports the study of other A levels, which we'll come on to in a moment, and develop key employability skills as well, so stuff such as problem solving, communication, logical reasoning, and resilience. So these are the three options as I mentioned before. So you've got the standard A level maths, which extends the GCSE maths, further maths, which adds breadth and depth to what you'll study at the A level maths, and then there's a level 3 core maths option, which is the equivalent to an AS level. And that develops your mathematical skills and is a bit more focused on that everyday life and problem solving. So what's covered in AS and A-level maths? You've got a breakdown of 2/3 pure mathematics, so that's your standard sort of algebra and number topics, and then the final third is made up of statistics and mechanics. So a bit more detail there on pure maths, including proof, trigonometry, and vectors. Statistics, reaching conclusions. It takes it a bit further than GCSEs, and actually you using that knowledge in a bit more of a way of forming those conclusions. Mechanics is more steered towards physics and engineering. And to do with forces and motion and stuff like that. Further maths, like it says at the bottom, it's designed to stretch and challenge those people in terms of their mathematical knowledge, and obviously in terms of university courses, obviously if you're thinking of going on to maths at university, this might be a useful way of extending that knowledge. Again, you can see there in terms of the A level, pure maths has a big portion, and then the options that we do here is further mechanics and decision mathematics. Core maths is a fairly new course. You need at least a grade 4 at GCSE maths to get onto this course, and basically this is tailored very much to the maths that you would need to support your other courses. So it is a very useful qualification to have, and will actually obviously support your progress in the other A levels that you may be taking. Some key areas are financial maths, statistics, probability, critical analysis, modelling, such as spreadsheets, and estimation. You've got a couple of examples there as to what we're talking about in terms of core maths, and then the kind of questions you might be asked. So you've got some real life problems there in terms of money, in terms of speed, distance, time. And in terms of you've got something about a genetic disease and thinking about what happens in terms of those tests. It's an example of just some of the subjects that use maths, and you might have to think about some of these in terms of where maths comes in, but obviously all of those and more would benefit from you having some sort of maths qualification alongside it. There's just some examples in terms of the percentage that makes up the other A levels. Career opportunities, obviously possibilities are endless with the maths qualification. There's a few kind of things that people think there in terms of obviously you have to be planning to do a STEM degree to want to study maths post GCSE, and that's not the case. Few more jobs there. in terms of what the career opportunities look like, so you can see the various different ones that are on there. And one of the most important things, I suppose, is what this does in terms of money. So those that study A-level maths do tend to go on to earn more money than those that do not. Again, there's just a few more ideas as to where maths jobs can come in technology, in engineering, and in scientific processes, and then some relating to human behaviours and interactions. I hope that's given you a good introduction to what the options are in maths at post 16 level, and we hope to see you next year.